This is a very commonly asked interview question. Can r square be negative? And the major confusion here starts with two formulas of r square. One of them, which has regression sum of square divided by total sum of square, causes the main issue here. Because if you look at this formula, this has no negative sign. So how can it turn negative? Because numerator is a regression sum of square and denominator is total sum of squares. But if you look at the other formula for r square, 1 minus residual sum of squares by the total sum of squares, there you get some idea that what if my residual sum of squares is greater than the total sum of squares. Now if you do Euler's estimation, this will never happen. But if you do something else, let's say your model is specified in a different kind of a way, essentially you build a model such as your predictors are performing first than a prediction which says mean of the dependent variable always. Then your residual sum of squares will be greater than the total sum of squares. And then in that case, this ratio over here will be greater than 1 and in effect your r square will be less than 0.